Hi, in this video I'm gonna teach you how you can earn money by typing on your keyboard. So you will see it's not that hard, but you need to be smart and you need to have some strategies. I'm gonna tell you everything in this video and we're gonna watch right now. So we are in Spreadshirt. So if you know Spreadshirt, you know that is super good. And if you don't know what is Spreadshirt, Spreadshirt is a marketplace for print on demand. What is print on demand? So the basic concept of print on demand is super easy. You make design and then you put it on t-shirts, curtains, leggings, mats, pillows, I don't know, whatever you want, hoodies and whatever you want. And when you have like a sale, what happens is that you are going to get a commission. That's what is good with Spreadshirt and all the website that I'm going to show you, but you're going to get a commission. And then Spreadshirt or whatever the company that I will show you will print your design on the product and ship it directly to your customer. So it's good because you don't have to pay money, like you don't have to invest to buy the product and then send it. You don't have to do the supply chain. You don't have to do the customer service. You have to do nothing except upload your design and that's it. So that's why it's pretty good. The most common mistake of the people is that first they think that this design, so this one on the girl, sell more and that you have to be a good designer to do those kind of business, which is not the case. This kind of design sell way more. So of course you don't say your design here, but I'm going to show you that design with text sell way more than design with logo. So first I'm gonna show you something. This, be careful, really be careful, because if you don't own the right to use licenses, please don't do it. So same for this one, which is Harry Potter. Be careful, please, because I have friends that have problem with Warner Bros. For using Harry Potter designs. I had trouble with Marvel for doing Marvel design, and I didn't have the rights. So please be careful with the copyright rights. What I tell to my French student is that if you have a doubt, you have no doubt. Which means that if you're like, oh, is it good? Can I do that? You don't care. If you have those questions, you skip it and you go to the next design. You need to be quick. You don't need to lose your time like 5 hours for one design. You need to be super quick and you need to be good. Trust me, there is way more ideas, design, and good typo that you can use than to take the risk of getting banned or having a big toll, by using licensing right. So please just be smart and make it simple. So we're gonna go on t-shirt and I'm gonna tell you the kind of t-shirt that is super good. So this one is super good because if you like ramen, you know it's perfect. Ramen life, boom, you have ramen, that's it, it's done. It's super easy and most of the design you can find it on a lot of websites. So I'm going to show you in a further video which kind of website you can use to make your design. Of course, make a comment if you want it to get. But for example, you know, these kind of design are funny, but it's good, but it needs more text, you know. You have this kind of design that is kind of a real design, but it's good because it's for a cause, you know. You have this one. I don't know if you remember, but I think it was a lawyer that was on Zoom call and couldn't change his face, and he was like a cat, and he's like, I'm not a cat. So yeah, it's good. A good design is like a good pun or good joke, and then you can use actuality, you know, to get better thing. But you have this one, you see, it's just a text really with just a small design. Oh, this one is just a text. This one is just text, and it works perfectly because when people see the design, they need to make their choice in 1 second, which means like they love it or they don't. But you have to understand that in the US and in all over the world, it's kind of the same. On the internet, we have 1 second of attention span, which means that if that doesn't work, that will not work, all right? So just create your design, make it simple, make it funny, make it stick to the actuality if you want. You don't have to, but it can be a good strategy, and then produce a lot. because the first mistake that I see on those marketplaces is that people put one design and they are like, oh, Thomas, that doesn't sell, your strategy doesn't work. Yeah, of course, like it's a marketplace, so you will compete with a lot of people. You have to put a lot of design, because on those marketplaces, it works like this. At first, you're nobody, all right? So put a lot of design, then you will make one sale by luck, all right? And the one sale will notice Spreadshirt or the other platform that I will show you that you could make a sale. So that will show to people a little bit more your project, your designs, and then that will make 2 sales, 3 sales. And on marketplaces, the more you sell, the more you sell. It's like a snowball. It's getting bigger and bigger. So you have to take a lot of time to watch what is good, what is not good, all right? But at the end of the day, you have to understand the platform and you have to produce a lot. So I'm going to show you now the other platform that are good. So you have Redbubble, that is super good. So Spreadshirt, Redbubble, all right. And then you have the new one that is coming to boom. It's merged by Amazon. They were like good with print on demand, but since 1 year, I can tell that they put a lot of investment in it because they want to be big. So you can go. So be careful, because when to want to subscribe and to sign up, they are kind of picky. At some point, they will deny you or accept you, and we don't know the reason. Like, I have more than 1,500 clients, and some of them get accepted that right away. Some of them has to wait 2 or 3 tries, and some of them has never been accepted. I don't know why. I don't have the reason, but unfortunately, it is what it is, you know. So put a lot of design on the marketplaces. It's free, okay? You don't have to invest in anything. And yes, because I know a lot of people would ask the question, if you put design on Spreadshirt, you can put it on Merch by Amazon and on Redbubble. Your designs are your design, and nobody own it. The platform will just use it and pay you a commission based on that. That's it. So I hope you liked the video. Go in the description to get access to some templates of design for free. You just have to put your email address, and you will see you will have a lot of templates, and in order for you to get started super quickly, because trust me, the quicker you get on those platforms, the quicker you will get the money. So I hope you will do that. I'm sorry for my English if I make some mistake. I hope you enjoyed the video, you understood everything. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the description and the commentary, and I will answer it as always. I wish you a very good day, and as I say, take action.